Hi everyone, I'm at Dollar Tree this morning and they are almost out of Halloween already. Not very much. There's a little bit back here, but they do have a full cart of Christmas that they're going to be putting out. So I'm really excited to see what kind of new items they're going to get. Oh, look, I love me a countdown calendar. So cute. And then back over here on the wall, they have already started putting items out. So we're gonna go check that out, see if there's anything that I need. I love these little Christmas trees right there. They're so cute. Oh, I think these little boards are new, right? These right here, I think those are new. Oh my gosh, these are definitely new. Right up there, this one. And that one is new. There's little gnomies right here and up here. Oh, so cute. Really, really cute. Oh, like he has a little red nose. Oops. Sorry, wasn't showing you guys. He has a little red nose right here. Then look at these ornaments. There's snowman and Santa. They have little red cars that they have every year. Let's see, is this one or two? Nope, that one's just one little gnome. A whole lot of good stuff. I'm gonna have to come back through and pick up a few items for myself, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, look, I think these are new, right? I think that's new. Oh, these are new. There's an elf. Snowman. No, back there with the candy cane, but I think that was available last year. Let me see. That's all that I see here. This one's really pretty. I had bought that one before. Oh, I think these are new. I don't think I remember seeing these. So that projects a snowman. And then this one is like Santa Claus. Oh, wait, there's different ones. There is another Santa there. And then there is a red truck right there. That is so cute. And then we just have the floral arrangements over here. Oh, look at these. These are cute. They're like Santa with his little bell. I kind of feel like I need those. That's really cute. I did just find another little section of Halloween. Not too much available, but they do have a ton of the Halloween trees. Those look so cute when you tie two of them together. Guess what I found? I found the Nomi Homie section right here. And I want to say that these are new patterns. I don't remember a reindeer. And then there's like a little trio right there. Don't remember that little wagon either. Then here are the towels. So I'm gonna have to look through those to see if I find any new ones. I have a lot of the same stuff that we saw last year. There's some like little garlands right there with the gnomes. That green is garlands, not wreaths. I was hoping to find a wreath. They have the white and green trees. They have glitter trees. They have some color stockings and color on bags. Oh, look. Little puppets, finger puppets. I've actually never seen those before. I know other people get them and use them. It's a Deal uses them all the time, and she makes like little ice creams, and they're so stinking cute. So I'm gonna have to grab a couple of those. They have like snowballs right there. A lot of wood pieces this year too. I don't see any like little repeat ones. These are really cute. They're like little 3D wood pieces. Those are really cute. Then just a ton of ribbon, and then paint your own little house over there. They have a whole bunch of the little elves. I kind of want to get one of those paint your houses. Oh, there's a gingerbread guy right there. This is all they have left for fall. I really like that little fox right there. I think it's super sweet and cute looking. Oh, they actually have like little pumpkin to make your own little wreath. But yeah, not a whole lot of fall either. And then more Christmas trees. That must be like their really big seller. And then those really pretty silver ornaments. Oh, look, they have do it yourself, little DIY snow globes. And then there is the little ornament as well. There's some bells over there, some more trees, some lights, some more little elves right there as well. Did anybody happen to find a pig Halloween card this year? I didn't find one, sadly, but yeah, that's what they have. Oh, there's more cards over there I'm gonna go look at. Oh, look, on this side there is some more fall decor. Let's see what they have. Some pumpkins, some scarecrows, a lot of like the wall hanging stuff. Over in like the floral section, they actually have these like little berries that I think would be really cute to use for Christmas to make like a little wreath. So I'm gonna grab one of those. I don't know if I want the speckled one or just the plain red. And let's see, this is kind of what they got going on in the floral. So I'm gonna go to the craft section next. It's getting busy in here. When I walked in, I was so excited. I was like, yes, I'm gonna record. There's not that many people here, and everybody came in at the same time. So let's see what else I can find. So this is what they got going on for the yarn section. There are some totes that I've never seen before. And then here is what we have. It says journal planner, specialty, laser cut, tile, borders, gems, stencils, alphabet, and paper crafts. That sign is new. I've never seen that one before. Oh my gosh, I've never seen these before either, where they have gold, like little words and sayings. And then look, I've never seen these either. They are sticker wax seals. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I stopped in today because there is a bunch of stuff that I haven't seen before. Oh look, this little hello stamp set, that one is new. There's some more gold over here. Oh, that's for wedding. It says Mr. and Mrs. right there. And I think there's like beauty, princess. Oh, those rainbows, I don't think I've seen those before either. Oh, there's a giant like stop sign right there. Sunshine friend, hello in wood. I don't think I've seen those before either. Oh, and look at these iron-on. They're like a neon. There's a dino and a kitty. I think that's new. And then look at the iron-on sheets. They have like foil iron-on. Oh, there's glitter iron-on. I've never used the iron-on from here, so that might be something to try and see if it's any good. Oh my gosh, those cutting mats have been so hard to find lately. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving down and seeing what else they have. This store is like fully loaded on the wood and like little metal signs. I have not seen this area so full in a very long time. Oh, those little butterfly houses right there, I think those are new. I don't remember seeing those before. And then there is like a little mushroom right there. Super cute. They even have like a ton of canvases. I did not realize that they had a black canvas now. And look at that little like right there, the black like little farmhouse looking is super cute. They have a lot of paint. There's even the chalkboard paint right there. There is 3D puffy paint. There's brushes. Just so much new stuff going on. Look, here is the new little like jewelry kits. There's silver and gold. Oh my gosh, look, there is new flowers. I've never seen this like black gray. I'm gonna have to see if there's some other colors down in there as well. There's these like little like paint signs where it's already drawn out for you. Let's see. I think all this other stuff is like repeat. I don't know if the ink pads are new or not. There's green and red right here. There's the foam, Velcro dots, foam dots, double-sided tape. This is a lot of the stuff that we've seen before. Oh, I think this might be new. I don't recognize this. It is, oh, like, so you can draw on it, tear off little palettes. That's cute. And chunky glitter. So they have silver, gold, like a fuchsia, and a blue. I think those are new. There's a ton of like fabric down here. Oh, I think these might be new. I don't remember seeing a hardcover photo album before. What is this? Oh, this is iron-on. So there's that one. Oh, I got this foil before, and it's different colors in there. This pack is really cute. I haven't cut it out yet, but I want to use it for some die cuts. Oh, look, this I haven't seen before. Fusible interfacing, so that's for sewing. That little metal board up there I think is really cool too. I was hoping to find the tools. I have one set, but I definitely wanted a backup set, and sadly I don't see any here, so I'm gonna double back and make sure I didn't miss any. And then it goes into like the house stuff, and then there's like photo frames over there as well. So now I'm over in the stationery, and I bought this months ago when it first came out because I thought, okay, if they have the label maker, they're gonna end up selling the tape, right? I have not seen the tape for this. Has anybody else found the tape here at Dollar Tree? I don't even know what size I need, so I guess I'm just gonna have to buy some online and hope that I get the correct size. So if anybody has that little label maker and knows what size you need, please let me know so I can buy some. I just assumed that when they started selling it that they would sell the tape eventually, but I haven't seen it anywhere. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. That's all that it pretty much came in. I came to look, and now I have a basket, so I'll definitely do a haul later on when I get home, so keep an eye out for that in the next couple of days. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.